In this demonstration, I will show you how to configure the API endpoint parameters. Let's begin by opening the Simnovator config.py file. Within this file, you need to provide the IP address of the API Simnovator box where Simnovator is installed, as well as the current system you intend to use. Additionally, you need to specify the test case parameters in the test.config.py file. This includes the name of the test case you want to execute and the name of the test case you want to view. Adjust other variables as required. Expanding the folder reveals multiple endpoints. The first endpoint is View All Test Cases under the Swagger document, which retrieves a list of all available test cases. This endpoint logged into the application displays the test case count and lists the currently available test cases. Next, we will execute a test case using the execute endpoint under the Swagger document. This initiates the test case execution after logging into the application. To check global statistics, we use the global stats endpoint under the statistics category. After logging into the application, we can verify the test case status and retrieve the global stats. For UE statistics, we utilize the UE stats endpoint under the statistics category. This endpoint provides the statistics for the UE, including message counters. Upon logging into the application, we can access the status and retrieve the required information. To check the available log settings, we log into the application and retrieve the list of profiles. For retrieving logs of the test case, we use the getLogs endpoint under the UE simulator category. This allows us to access the UE simulator logs. If you wish to stop the test case execution, you can use the Stop the Test Case endpoint. Logging into the application, you can verify the status and stop the test case accordingly. These are the steps involved in configuring the API endpoint parameters. Thank you for watching.